Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, I'm getting an early video in, ladies and gents, because I've got an extremely busy day. It's just been chaos the last week, but there is a lot going on with the crypto news. We've got updates in relation to Ripple and the SEC. The SEC is wanting to claim now and fine Ripple $2 billion. $2 billion for XRP sales to institutional clients. Are they effing insane? What is going on there? They're not going to pay that. There's just no way. Anyway, we've got Bitcoin jumping up to 70,000 US dollars. I believe, I'm just looking on my charts now, it's still above that. We'll have a look at that in a moment. BlackRock ETFs getting a massive inflow of capital. The London Stock Exchange as well, bullish on Bitcoin and commencing some exchange traded notes. I'm going to get into what those actually are. And we've got Solana, again, bullish analysts on this predicting, soaring past 250 US dollars. Again, that's easily done in my opinion. And can Ethereum break 4,000 US dollars if the SEC goes after it? Now, we're going to play an interesting video on that as well. Make sure you stick around. I'm also going to go over my new trading bots with 3 commas on my new partner for the channel, that is Bybit. And it's bullish. We're going to get into that, ladies and gents. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, formalities are out of the way. It's been a chaotic week, as everyone knows. But top altcoins in my portfolio, we have reserve rights, XPR Proton. It's not XRP, it's XPR Proton. Go check it out. It's a cool project. Ubix Network, again, it's like a Russian-based Ethereum, ICP, and Anchor Protocol. Now, ladies and gents, I had to make that video yesterday because I did make a change on the exchange side of things so we can trade with leverage here in Australia. And now my 3 commas bots are officially set up on Bybit, and I'm going to show you all of that as well. So very, very bullish updates. Now let's go to CoinMarketCap. We've got Aussie dollars here, $4 trillion. That's insane, right? It'll happen in the US dollar market, but let's go back here. All right, we've got 2.64 trillion, $111 billion in volume, 52% Bitcoin dominance on the fear and greed index. We've got 80. All right, so we're all a little still greedy right here. Bitcoin sitting at 70,341, which is really nice. And again, this is my portfolio. Ethereum's at 3,600, Solana at 190. Can it break 250? Let me know in the comments. I believe so. XRP at 64 cents. Very, very bullish on that. That is a given on my channel. Dogecoin, 17 cents, ADA, 66. Immutable X, $3.10. We've got Hedera, 11 cents. XLM is at 13 cents, doing quite nicely. Sui, trying to dollar cost average into this and buy it up as well. That's $1.72. Quant, 140. XDC at 4 cents as well. Utility is my main focus. Now moving down, of course, XYO is great for geospatial tracking technology. It's incredible. Go check out the project. It's unreal. And play to earn games as well, I'm extremely bullish on. And by the way, I have missing one coin in here, and that is LCX, which is tokenizing diamonds. Incredible project. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, before I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is, again, my awesome community that I personally run. I put up all my information in here, guys. My buys, sells, my trades, my indicators, my setups with 3 commas. And now on Bybit and OKX, by the way. I'm still using OKX. So there's a lot of information in here. My dividend investing goes up in here as well. I speak to the community in the chat feature. You can direct message me, but again, there's like over 900, 981 members. So it's growing significantly, but there's a lot of useful information in here, guys. And again, the change to Bybit has been awesome as well. So again, the Australian regulators here aren't going to stop us from trading cryptos, but as much as they're trying. And I think it's only meant that, this happens when crypto exchanges open up offices here in Australia. Of course, they're going to be bound by Australian law, so they have to abide by that. But anyway, go join up. The link is below in the video description. Now, 3 commas. I love this trading software. Again, I've been using it for like 2.5 years now. And again, I've been really, really bullish on it for the last 11 and now coming up to 12 months. I will say that, again, I was using it on OKX, who are still a partner of the channel. I'm using OKX for the spot trading because that's essentially all you can do on OKX here in Australia. You buy, sell cryptos, or you can spot trade, which it's boring, but you can still do it. But trading with leverage now, I'm using Bybit. Now, again, I've set up a significant amount of bots. I'm trading Theta, Arweave, Fetch AI, AGIX, Ondo, Solana, Axie, with, believe it or not, this thing's been going parabolic. I'm only trading it, I don't hold it. We've got Near Protocol, AVAX, Lido DAO, Gala, Toncoin, Aptos, what else we've got here? Optimism, Phantom, Doge, of course. We've got CKB, CFX, ICP, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. So again, that's all on Bybit. Now, the thing is on Bybit, you can't use the multi-bots, unfortunately. You can only use single pairs on USD Tether. In the futures, and you can trade with whatever leverage you like. It's up to you, but I'm using 15x because I just want to get things going and moving. And yes, the bots are turning a profit right now. Again, it's a little bit more subtle than I will say than OKX, so I'm still working it out 100%. I'll keep the community updated, but at least we're trading the markets. Now, coming to Bybit, by the way, the referral link for Bybit is below as well. You will need an account on Bybit if you're trading in Australia. And of course, the 3 commas account. Now, if you use the 3 commas account link below, you will get a discount on your membership on the monthly and on the yearly. So anyway, moving on. This is Bybit right here. Again, trading with 15x leverage here. I've got all my positions open. That's 23 positions with 48 open orders. Some of these are in profit, which is awesome. Now, again, I'm still getting used to Bybit. Bear with me. Coming here to order history, if we go P&L, here we go right here again. So taking small profits. Doge was $2.28. In actual fact, let's just go all assets. So I'm getting used to the platform, but it's awesome. So again, taking small percentages here. Might have to increase them right now. Because I mean, I'm trading 50 USDT on these deals, and I have to increase that. But I'm going to trade like 50, 60 altcoins. So I'm yet to set up all the bots. But again, you can see they're in profit, which is nice, closing the long positions right there. So anyway, I'm just happy that we're able to trade with leverage with 3 commas because it was getting really annoying and stressful, to be quite honest with you. But we've sorted it out. Join the Patreon. It's linked below, bulls. Going to Crypto Bubbles on the day. It's a sea of green. ICP, I've been bullish on this again, $17. I was dollar cost averaging at this in the previous bull market at, well over $114 or $140. No BS. Arweave, again, trading bot set up on this one. I don't hold it personally, but I'm trading it. That's up 12% on the day here to $42 US. And again, I'm still bullish on my favorite coins like Solana. I think this will be the Ethereum of the next bull market if I can find it here. Let me see if I can find it. No, I cannot see that. Let's have a look on the week. Let's have a look on the month. Cannot see. Here we go. Found it. All right. So 2.5% on the day. It's still at $191. This thing will go parabolic in my opinion. I mean, it's an I have to show you guys the white paper with Visa. You need to read that. Go look it up. Solana and network with Visa. It's extremely bullish. This is what I'm talking about. Utility is absolute king. Still up 860% this year. Average return on the S&P 500 is between 8 to 10%. So let that one sink in. Anyway, getting straight to the news, so I want to keep this video short. The SEC is trying to get $2 billion from Ripple. Is this insanity on the next level? March 25th, the US SEC Commission is seeking fines and penalties totaling $2 billion in its case against Ripple Labs over the sales of its cryptocurrency XRP. The company's chief legal officer said on social media, a post on Monday, which was yesterday. Stuart Algorand, legend by the way, says that the regulator has asked the US District Judge Annalisa Torres in Manhattan for penalties in court papers filed under seal. The SEC is scheduled to file documents publicly within redactions on Tuesday. Rather than faithfully apply the law, the SEC remains bent on wanting to punish and intimidate Ripple and the industry at large. Agreed. And the spokesperson for the SEC declined to comment, of course, but Torres ruled in July again the blockchain company's sales of XRP worth $728 million US again to hedge other sophisticated buyers amount to unlawful sales of unregistered securities. Now again, the SEC sued Ripple again and Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, which was an absolute joke and completely dismissed. And they're still trying to go after, and I guess they're still trying to go after those institutional sales, and that's pretty much all the SEC has to rely on. So again, there's no way, there's a hummingbird in the background. That means something. There's no way Ripple's going to pay that. They're going to fight it. And I would as well. It's just utterly insane, right? Anyway, Bitcoin jumping above 70K, which is really, really nice again. Had been in a correction mode for the past week. Yes, it did. And after it hit an all-time high of 73,797 in March, despite the pullbacks, Bitcoin is on pace to finish March at a winning note. How good is that? Thank you, CNBC. BlackRock's ETF achieves legendary status after hitting second largest inflows for 2024, which was just ridiculous. But IBIT only trails behind Vanguard's S&P ETF right here, which again is VU, which I do own, which is crazy, which has garnered inflows of $21.6 billion year to date, positioning it at the forefront right here, notably despite IBIT's trading activity spanning only 50 days. Is that insane? We've got the London Stock Exchange now will start the market for Bitcoin and Ether ETNs. That's exchange traded notes. So basically what it is, it's like a contract for an extended period of time. I own a couple of oil ETNs in my stock portfolio. Now again, they last until like 2032, so that's what an exchange traded note is, and you will get paid a can't remember the term exactly, but it's called like a distribution, like a dividend, right? They call it a coupon. Sorry, you get a coupon from an ETN. There you go. Anyway, a UK regulator and the Financial Conduct Authority said it would allow recognised investment exchanges to create a listed market segment for ETNs earlier this month, which is bullish. Solana again, major resistance as analysts predict a $250 price target, which again is unreal. And analysts believe that Solana is on track for a record-breaking summer. Bring it on. And can Ethereum break through $4,000 US after the SEC? Now again, there is a video on Vitalik Buterin, and you guys have to watch this. I have to find it on my X account, so bear with me. Buy flow right here. Let's just have a look. We've got money going into Ethereum, Solana, Near Protocol. WIF is one I'm trading. You can see right there, it's just changed. How good is that? Doge, of course, AVAX. Again, I set all that up on 3 commas on Bybit. Now going to X, and we'll end up on this. Very, very cool. Thank you very much to those 6,300 people. You guys absolutely rock. Johnny Deaton right here was an absolute legend. A gentleman. Took photos. I introduced him on stage with the Bearable Bull. It was pretty cool, guys, to do that. So thank you, Wave of Innovation. And Johnny Deaton, mate, you're an absolute legend. And you're going to be the new US Senator for Massachusetts, which is unreal. Thank you very much. BlackRock Fidelity now own combined 379,000 Bitcoin. That is insane. And Ripple is better than Bitcoin. 100% Vitalik. Agree with that. I'm not going to go into the thread with Stuart Alderodi because I'll be here for ages, but $71,000 Bitcoin 3 hours ago, which was great. And yeah, Brad Garlinghouse is not going to allow the SEC to sue them $2 billion. Come on. That is insane. That's just crazy. But have a listen to this, all right? I want to play you guys this, so I'm going to end up the video on this.
As securities.
It's pretty clear, and the Supreme Court has actually spoken about this many times. If somebody is raising money, selling a token,
start the Ether pre-sale in a couple of weeks. So the Ether pre-sale will be an opportunity for anyone to purchase Ether. For Ether is the internal currency inside of the Ethereum system, sort of like the XRP and Ripple.
And the buyer is anticipating profits.
What we're hoping is that sort of similar to what happened with Mastercoin. If that slice is something like 20%, and then the value of Ether goes up by 5, then we basically have the entire initial BTC that we got all over again.
Based on the efforts of that group.
About 100 people that are working on Ethereum right now.
Myself leading the protocol design.
And we also have branding teams. We have marketing teams.
That fits into something that's a security.
Come on. Just wait till they get their hands on that, the SEC. That's all I'm going to say. Anyway, that is it, Bulls, for today. I've got to run, but I just wanted to give you an update. Join the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below in the video description. If you feel like trying out Bybit, by all means, go check it out. It's linked below. And again, 3 commas are also linked below in the video description. But again, it's just really nice to be able to trade the markets whilst we're all working, earning a living. It just supplements that, right? So it's really nice to be able to do that. And yeah, please be careful with the leverage. Again, I do not recommend it because it can be extremely risky and yes, volatile, but it's just a relief that we can still do that because, you know, for a while there, we're all stressing about what to do. So I'm glad I found a solution. Anyway, Bulls, I'm out of here. Have a nice day. Have a good afternoon, a good night, a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso wherever you are in the world. All right, Bulls, peace out.